service you've been giving to Ugandans specifically. Twakulabyeko ng'oli on duty. Obuvumu wabugyewo obugamba nti koyimirire mu nkuba.
As I told you earlier on,
You mix
yali dream yange okukolera Uganda. So nze okubeera mu nkuba or in rain, it wasn't anything to me. Kubanga even ku misana nsanga ntuyanye. So it is something that was in me. Mbo yadde nabadde mu nkuba mbadde wali kusavinga muna Uganda. Yes.
Bw'olaba ka video ko nga ka trending, what came into your mind?
Wow, this was actually, that's not the first video. It is not the second one or the third one. The videos have been always there, the pictures, the words, all over media. Just say that it was God's time. That it is this video that has busted into this. Okay, but when I saw it, oh my God, it is something. Even if it were you really feel excited. You really feel like you're organized. You really feel like God has answered your prayer. I was really excited, and I want to appreciate all thanks.
Okuva watandika okusavinga abannayuganda naddala mu Ugandan Police, wali ofunye ku makula bwe gati oba obadde ku line of duty?
Now that one, I can tell you this, that nze okusavinga munnayuganda, it's not all about getting this. Yes, services zange, as long as nga nkolera munnayuganda nagamba webale, that is the best gift or appreciation I would ever want. And nze okutuukawo leero ku bino, really kindaga mbu my appreciation was already what services zange already badde bamaze appreciating. So it's really good to me.
Do you have a family?
Yeah, I have a family.
How many kids?
I have a woman. Chimunaye musirikale, of course, nganze. Twevuruga mukaawo naye, of course, as a man, in your family, check it. I have a wife. She's a police officer like me. We have 3 children, and all of them are boys.
What are the challenges you faced when you're serving your duty?
Of course, for example, the recent ones. However, nze nganze tusiime nsaba omusirikale wange muganda wange yamusonyiwe kubanga ffenna tuba na temper, tuba na busungu, tuva waka n'obusungu. You never know what will have made her. Of course, bivumirira, it's not good, but you let go.
Okay, nga tumaliriza Skype nze vuddeyo nekweyanza services zo ekuwadde ka ssente ndi wasemba okufuna ku ssente nga zirimu
zibirabangako. I really appreciate Skype to us. Bambi mwebale nnyo. It is my first time.
Okay.
I repeat, it's my first time
to receive the money in bundles.
A big bundle of money like this. And I don't know even how I would want to reach home. What will it take as security? What you take it now? See me, I'm here. This hours in Mkwamu. Or you take it? Okay. It is not something.
Abeka amazika kaunga baganabe.
Iyo wadde Uganda banjagala nnyo tebafaayo.
Thank you.
Thank you.